SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to add a new focus mode on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've been using the focus feature on your iPhone, then you're probably familiar with how to turn it on. You can do this by opening the Control Center, and then you can tap and hold on the Do Not Disturb or Focus button, and then you can select one of the options there. You might notice that there's also an option here for New Focus, which you can choose to create a new focus mode on your iPhone if you don't have an option for what you want to use it for. So if you tap on this button, then that's going to bring up this screen, and here you can select the type of focus mode that you would like to create. There's going to be a few different options here based on what's currently on your phone already, or you can select the custom option if you would like to create one that's not listed. I'm going to choose the fitness option, and now I can select the customize focus button. And then once you're on this screen, you can select the people and apps that you would like to allow notifications from while you're in this focus mode. Or you can create a schedule that you can have the focus mode that you're working on automatically activate at a certain time. Or if you no longer wish to create this new focus mode, then you can tap the delete focus button. Now you'll see that we created this new focus mode from the Control Center, but you could also create a new focus mode by opening Settings. Then you can scroll down and choose Focus. Then you could tap the plus at the top right corner of the screen, and then that'll bring you back to this same focus menu that we were on before. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.